Well, hey, listen, I want to ask you a question is that if people are interested in this topic and they just need to learn more and they want to dig into it, kind of deeper, a couple of things I want to ask is that number one is how can they reach out to you to get information? I think we have an email address and a website here that we could just throw up. So that is the company website, or?
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Okay, very good. And then we have a email address which they can reach out to get further information. Now, what I wanted to ask further than that is if somebody wanted to, say, potentially engage with you and better understand, this process, or maybe what the opportunities or challenges are, do you have any kind of a trial program, or is there anything anyone can look at, or what can somebody do as part of that?
Well, I really appreciate that question, because we thought that using that opportunity of this live broadcast here, we will not do a product demonstration or something like this. Although it would be very easy to do, because the product is really comfortable and easy to use. But we want to offer the viewers of this broadcast a special offer. Just try it. You will get it for 3 months free of charge. You can try it free of charge. Look at it yourself. We will even train you how to do it, because we're so convinced about the product. And we have several customers who have already thousands and thousands of documents in that system.
Yeah, very good. So if they want to get in touch with you, they can go to the email. Let's put the email back up there again real quick. So if somebody wants to get in touch with Bill or some of the team, they can go to contact@cert-trace.com. And if you're interested in either learning more information, or if you're actually literally interested in potentially, getting a trial or something like that, I think that's a great offer, because it takes time and effort, to be able to do this. And, we've seen all across the industry, lots and lots of challenges, and it's really good. So, hey, listen, I want to ask you one question here, if I could, because I think this is always important to people. Is I just want to understand from your perspective is that, what's caused you, as a person to engage in this? What's really your passion? What's caused you to get involved in this kind of, activity in the aviation industry? I'd just like to know where you're coming from.
I have a strong desire to help the society I'm working in to become better, to go forward, and to really change, to adapt to new requirements. And I know that I cannot lean back and wait for somebody else to do it. Well, I'm taking the opportunity and do it.
Yeah, and I think that many times we're looking for people that can help us, that have experience and are willing to just engage. I always am. And so I really appreciate that, and your perspective in doing that.